everybody, I'm Iris and I'm the youngest of the Chick Kids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Bio Snacky Sprouter jar. And here it is. So basically I love sprouting. I have so many sprouters, I just love it, and I really want to share my passion with you. So, this is going to be really exciting for me, and you're going to love them too. So let's do this. So now what we need to do, the first thing that we need to do is take it out of the box, and then we're going to give it a good rinse out with cold water. So here it is, our Bio Snacky Sprouter jar. So now that we've washed the jar, we can now put the seeds in. I use a teaspoon to measure out my seeds, so I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons into my jar. And then add 1 more. Now that we've put the seeds in, add a bit of water just to rinse them around and then drain out the water. Now add a bit more water just above the seeds, and then put it in a light place that's not too hot, and soak it for either 4 hours or overnight. Hey everybody, so today is day 2 and I soaked my seeds overnight, and just the reason to sort of soak the seeds overnight is just to sort of give them an extra water content and just to tell them it's time to start growing. So yeah, we just got to drain them now. We're just going to drain them into the sink. We're doing this. The next thing we need to do is just get some cool fresh water and rinse around the sprouts in it. Just to rinse off that water that was they'd been soaking in, and then we just got to drain this out. So now that I've emptied that water out, I'm just going to stand them in a bowl or a container that's can hold water, so that any other excess water that I didn't quite get out can just drain out, just like that. So we're just going to put these on a windowsill where it's quite light, but not in direct sunlight and not too hot. You want to rinse them 2 to 3 times a day. I do mine after breakfast and dinner. Just like we just done, we just rinse them with cool water, and then we'll just put them back on your windowsill. Now we're just going to watch them grow over the next couple of days. Alright guys, it's the next day and I've already rinsed them this morning, but I just want to show you what they look like now. So look at this, guys. This is one of the most exciting parts, I think. I just love look at all the tails, the little tails that they've grown, and now they're just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's just really exciting. So we've rinsed them 2 to 3 times every day. And this is just to keep them fresh and hydrated and to stop harmful bacteria growing on them. And the jar is now full and they're ready to harvest. Now that the jar is full and they're ready to harvest, just put them in an old tub in which they can be put in the fridge and then eaten over the next couple of days. I eat these all the time as snacks, but you can enjoy them in salads, sandwiches and stir fries. And if you want to try something new and you run out of seeds or anything like that, just give us a message and we'll send you some more seeds straight away.